We're at the Alive Market, which is also known as the Night Market. It's located just a short distance from the main road in Khao Lak. Hi. It opens at 3 p.m. and it closes at 10 p.m. The holiday rep in our hotel told us not to worry about buying food from this market, as the food hygiene rating is very good here and it's perfectly safe for tourists to eat there. So for anybody thinking about coming down to the market, here's a brief look at what it has to offer. You can get some very interesting food from this market, things like crocodile if you're feeling adventurous. So it's definitely worth a trip if you fancy some of that.
Hello, Hello. Barbecue pork rib.
So that's it for the market, but it is approaching dinner time and we're getting hungry, so we're gonna pop in here and have something to eat. Here's a brief look at the menu to see what's available and the kinds of prices. I got chicken pad thai, which was nice, and my little boy got pork dumplings, which gets the thumbs up from him. I can't remember the other thing we ordered, but no complaints. It goes dark here really quickly, so while we were having our meal, the sun had gone down. On the way back to the main road, I thought I'd just show you things that you need to look out for. I've never been to Thailand before, so I'm not sure if this is normal here, but by the market there are quite a lot of hazards. For example, the pavement has big holes in them and chunks just missing randomly that you could easily cause you to fall or trip on, so you need to be careful of that. Also, there's a big wire fence which is very rusty, and if you fell along that or cut yourself, it would be a really nasty infection your way looking at the rust on it. But just another example of the pavement. So when you're out around the market, especially when it's dark, just take extra care. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, you could give it the thumbs up, and also if you might be interested in checking out some more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. But thanks for watching, I really appreciate it.